In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly disable lazy load in WordPress. If you've been looking to adjust your website's loading configuration, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. We'll start from the very beginning, ensuring that each step is clearly explained to help you navigate effortlessly. First, we'll begin by heading over to wordpress.com. This will take us to the platform where we can manage all the settings for our website. Open your preferred web browser, type in wordpress.com, and press enter. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner of the website where you'll see the Login button. Click on this button to proceed. After you've clicked Login, you'll need to enter your login credentials. Type in your username or email and then your password. With these details entered, hit the Login button once more to access your WordPress dashboard. Once inside the dashboard, we need to navigate to the Lightspeed cache settings. Located in the left-hand menu, search for Lightspeed cache. This feature is a popular optimization tool for improving website performance, but it's also where we'll find the settings for lazy loading. Clicking on Lightspeed cache will show you several options. From here, we want to focus on page optimization. So, click on Page Optimization to continue. Within the Page Optimization section, locate and select the Media Settings tab. Clicking this will open a new range of settings specifically related to media on your website. Here you'll find the configurations that allow for precise control over how images and other media are loaded on your page. Next, direct your attention to the option that says Lazy Load Images. Lazy loading is a feature that delays the loading of images on your site until they are needed, which is typically beneficial for performance. However, if this feature doesn't suit your site's needs, it can be easily toggled off. By default, lazy loading may be enabled, but if you want to disable it, simply toggle the switch to the off position. Make sure to save your changes by scrolling to the bottom of the page and clicking Save Changes. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled lazy load in WordPress, and your changes should now be applied. Remember, adjusting the lazy load settings can impact your site's loading behavior. For those needing faster visual content delivery without waiting for scrolling, this adjustment can be very beneficial. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful and straightforward. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tips and guides.